Winston-Sallisaw Ford, and you're watching Test Drive Tuesday.
Alright, well, on this truck, we're talking about a blackout version. That means everything inside black. Ranger, black leather, black steps, black wheels, back in black. This is the 2019 Ford Ranger, and what I want you guys to know about this Ford Ranger is when they came back with this thing, they did it right. This one has push button start, has been specially designed in conjunction with California Customs, and I'm telling you what, we did this one up right. This one's equipped with heated seats, navigation, and when you go into a Ranger, you normally think this is not going to be a truck that you can fit comfortably in, but in this case, that is just not true. So I wanted you to know I'm 5 foot, used to be 5'10" as I get older. I think I may be shrinking a little bit, 5'9", but I've got plenty of leg room. That's what I wanted you to see here. Plenty of leg room, plenty of space to be able to drive this truck. Certainly no complaints from me. So what I'm going to show you is just some of the options that this truck has. As I stated, it does have navigation. It does have heated seats as the weather starts to cool off, thankfully, as I'm a girl who loves the fall. You won't have to worry about not being comfortable in this, what they used to refer to as a small truck. So let's just take this thing for a spin and let me explain to you that while it does have, hey, did you see that? We're going to Test Drive Tuesday. I should show you some of these super cool features. Did you check that out? So what this is that is called a 360 camera. So you can actually get full tracking all the way around this truck. So you're going to be able to get camera views on the front, left, right, rear, left, right. How cool is this, guys? So as I turn the wheel, I'm going to do so right like this. Watch as it shows you where I'm going and how I'm in the version. So I'm going to actually back this up, and I want you to pay attention to how it's going to show me as I'm getting close to these other vehicles. I'm in the green, still good to go, but as I get closer, it's going to show you. How awesome is that, guys? This thing's Jackie proof, as my husband would say. Now, as I move forward though, I'm going to head towards Troy Horn's brand new F-150 that he just bought and give him a heart attack, because as I'm going forward as well, this thing's also going to let me know, hey, watch out for that as well. So pretty cool features on this truck to let you know that you are riding in style and staying safe. I'm just going to drive around the parking lot here because I am on my own today, as all of our guys are tied up and busy. Chance Sparks originally was going to do Test Drive Tuesday for us, but he got tied up over working for us, taking a vehicle to a customer to make sure that that customer was able to stay at work today and still get their new ride. So just wanted to show you some of these cool safety features and also how smooth this thing runs. Check out our new lot here. So Test Drive Tuesday in our new HRX 2019 Ford Ranger with all the cool safety features, including, we'll let you know if you don't have your safety seatbelt on, like I don't. But I'm only in the parking lot, guys. Don't yell at me.
And that was our all-new Ford Ranger HRX edition. Come by and check it out. Thanks, guys.